Now that we've completed most of the project, we've created the geometry, we've added materials, we've added furniture, we've even looked at the space in virtual reality and how it looks like in real life. So since we've done all those steps, the logical thing to do next is to save your file if you haven't already done so. So in order to save it, what you would do is go to File, and there are two options of saving. You can save or save as a copy. So if you haven't saved it at all, if this is the first time that you're saving, you can say save as, and I've actually saved this project previously as dorm room, so it shows up like this. I can say save, and since I've already have it, it's going to ask me it already exists, do you want to replace it? Let's say yes in this case, and I'll have this file saved as dormroom.skp. So incrementally saving is a good thing to do while you're working on your project. So if you want to incrementally save as you work through the project, make sure to go to File and say Save, and it's going to save your project. So since we've done all those things, the next thing that we want to do is take our model into augmented reality and see how it looks like in augmented reality. The first thing that we want to do is go to File and export this model so that we can open it up in its augmented reality application. So go to File, Export, and I'm going to select 3D model, and I'm going to create a new folder here called augmented reality. And let me save that inside. So this is the file type that we need to save as. It's a Collada file, so .dae is going to be the extension for the file. And there are two types that you can export the 3D as. So DAE is what we're going to use, and I'm not going to change any of these things. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to say dormroom.dae. I'm going to save it here, export the file. So it's going to take a while to export. Once it exports, once it completes, that box goes away and you know that it's exported. Now since we've exported the file, the next step is opening up our augmented reality application and then importing the file that we just exported from SketchUp, and I'll talk about that in the next video.